Oh, it's on me. I thought you were like recording yourself.
And I'm recording my new girlfriend
That's me.
and her dog.
Yes. And you just met my dad.
And my
Now
this is-
I am not even gonna say anything cute because that's on. Oh my god, we have so many adventures to go on. Like what's first? Well, obviously rafting, or even kayaking. Right? Ow, Kaya.
4 and 3. Give me 3 more. All right, you're good. Woo! All right, 4 and 3.
Hello.
We're good.
We're back. Woo!
Lean in.
Racing my own thoughts into the silence, seeking the guidance I forgot. It's somewhere lost, lost in the pages, pages of chaos I forgot. Somewhere it must be written. I just lost my access to the map. Somewhere love had bitten. I chased the apple and can't let it go. Baby, it's a losing game, and I know that
Smile.
I crossed the ocean and lost myself below. I owe this to myself to stay in the deep end, finally face to face with truth. How about you? Can you handle my
It's a duck girl. You got all wet. Guess what? You're beautiful.
I just lost my access to the
Back one.
somewhere love had bitten. I chased the apple. Can't let it go.
Hey, Kaya.
Yeah, that rapid was Eddie's turn.
We had a cat named Eddie.
All forward, hard, 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 hard. Go, 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 go. Keep going, keep going. We made the turn. Keep going, hard, hard, hard. There we go. Take a break. Good job. That was perfect. That was the loop, honey. We're entering into the doldrums. We'll take our time for a little bit now. 4-2. Forward one. One more, hard. One more. Good job. I love you.
I love you. You beat me to it. I was literally just about to say that.
What?
And you read my mind.
When they got facilities, not facilities. Snake in the water, right in front of us. See it?
Yeah, so never mind. I'm not getting in. I'm good. I got in.
Little,
That's so cute.
little homie's crossing the river. Look at him.
Oh yeah, brother.
He's like, nothing's gonna stop me. All right, just hang on. I don't really need any paddles from you here. Never taken a dog down the river.
What an honor.
You ready? All forward, hard! Go, go, go! Hard, hard, hard! Keep going! Yeah, we did it! Keep going! Keep going! Take a break! That was fucking perfect! Woo! We're not out of it yet, though! Give me 3 forward! 3! One more! Fuck yeah, babe! Now we're entering Swimmer's Rapid!
Woo! Fuck yeah! Oh my god.
That's got my adrenaline going.
I love you.
I love you too. We just gotta get through a bottle of wine and then we can take a break and get her out of the boat for a little bit.
Cool.
All right, this is bottle of wine. And it's called that because on the topographical map of the river, it actually looks like a bottle of wine right here. I like to say it's more of a white wine. It's a good hit, forward 1. We're gonna get really close to wine. One more. We're gonna get really close to this big rock here, but I don't wanna touch it. All right, forward 3, paddle through the white water. That's bottle of wine.
Hell yeah.
My favorite rapid is gonna come up after our break. It's called double hydraulic.
Am I a good paddler? Yeah.
You listen, that's all I ask for.
But do I paddle good? Like, am I?
Yes.
Is it powerful? Is it enough? Is it okay?
Let's ask Dr. Dre. Dr. Dre, I got a question if I may. Is it?
Yeah.
I missed double hydraulic. But this is our second and last class 4 of the day, River's End. This rapid's called River's End because it looks like the river ends from a distance, but it don't. Forward 1. Forward 1. All right, be ready. All forward, hard, hard. Go, 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 go. Keep going, perfect, keep going. Don't stop. All right, back paddle, hold up. Back paddle, keep going back.
Nice.
Now we'll watch them come through. Yeah, Trout! Yeah, boy!
On a trip, on a boat, on a lake.
See how he enters it backwards?
Yeah, that's what Mike does.
Don't even care if we stay home, put our to-do list.
Oh, that was good.
Crank the AC to
What up, Haley?
and there ain't a budget inside, but there's not a crowd in
I love you!
I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need
Hiya.
to get a half naked. Life's too short. Let's not waste it, 'cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it.
Forward 1. One more, forward. One more.
The sun's up Monday.
One more forward.
We'll tell
All
the
forward, don't
phones,
stop.
do not
All forward, don't
disturb,
stop.
like I'm a straw hat, babe. And you can
Keep
find
going.
the tags on your
Keep going.
Tommy Bahama
Keep going.
shirt. Blue crush up on the
Keep going.
85-inch sound machine when we wanna hear the ocean. I think
Keep going.
everything we need is right
There we go.
here.
We're surfing.
Surfing, baby.
Inside, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes.
There we go.
Be the bartender. I got
That little one's just big enough that a raft can catch it. Good job, babe.
You're so great. He's a happy girl.
It's got everything.
That's a schoolhouse rapid. That big rock is called Schoolhouse Rock.
Yeah.
Because if you hit it, it'll teach you a fucking lesson. 4-3.
Yeah, there might not be a palm tree inside, but there's not a
Two more, hard.
blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender.
All forward. Wait, no, hold up.
Is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short. Let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it.
And there's a rock behind this rock that looks like a dick, and I call it Dwayne The Rock Johnson.
Perfect. Wow. Oh my god, I see the dick now.
Put your paddle up in the air. Oh, no, no, don't touch it. No. Ooh. I kissed it.
Swell up like the ocean. It feels like I could drown in my tears. Everything's overflowing. Scared that I won't get it right.
Okay.
See why it's called maze?
Yeah.
Over time, tell myself to calm down and breathe.
You know what? Let's try this.
Step out of the shadows, into the fire. Don't be afraid to go out.
And forward.
Oh my god.
This is what you're made for.
Hey, that still worked.
That fucking spun me in. I cannot appreciate a tip, especially with you. But I'm
You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be F-E-A-R-L-E.
One more. Three more.
Once I get in and I put it in drive.
Yeah, the left of this rock is what I was talking about right there. 4-3. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, we got the poop chute. Just gotta put all the gear in the van, come back, get the boat.
Thank you.
You're welcome, baby.
Present to the Spanish